Welcome to Rebus. In this video, I'll be taking you through the Rebus application, how this will help you in terms of the omni-channel if you're running a retail store or wholesale distribution. Okay, so this is the dashboard which shows you what is the net profit, gross profit, P&L account, and a couple of other information. If I go to operations, it will give you the details of what is the revenue for this between this period, and how many orders we have served, in that how many items we have sold out, is there anything below stock. Okay, and if you come down, you can see the what is the revenue between this period, how many invoiced, and how many open invoices are there, along with how many got approved, and is there anything with the shipment in your warehouse which is need to be shipped, and how many got invoiced, out of that how many got paid. Okay, this is my top 5 customers for this period, and this is the same information for the purchase. What is a purchase, how many invoiced, how many we got paid, what is our top 5 purchases from which vendor. Okay, so we will jump to the most important part, where in this video is we will go into the item card, inventory item card, and we will create an item which I'm able to sell on my POS counters as well as my back office. That's a bulk sales. Along with that, I would like to get into the e-commerce. Let's take a product called Dell 300. It's an example in this video. So what I'll do is have just created an item card for this with all the details. Okay, I'm going to add an image from my desktop. Okay, so this is the image, a laptop image what I'm adding it. Okay, so once the image is added, we are using the same image to be replicated in our e-commerce portal. Okay, so this is done. So I want to set a price. I'll go here. Next is integration. Okay, so I want to integrate with my WooCommerce. So if I click on plus, I will get a drop down menu: Lazada, WooCommerce, Shopify, Shopee. And if you are integrating with your Flipkart, Amazon, all this information will be flowing here. Okay, now I'm integrating with my WooCommerce. One click on this, so I can set up the price on the WooCommerce, what price I want to sell it for. So I'll say I want to sell it for 16,000 rupees. Click on enter. So it will take few seconds. That means it's uploading in your WooCommerce and you are live now. So you just generated a link here. So let's copy the link. I'll go to my browser and I'll paste the link here. So it's redirecting me to the website. So yeah, this is a image we just uploaded in the e-commerce in our ERP system, which is reflecting in WooCommerce. You can see the price which reflecting back. So if I go to home, you can see all the items which is available in the e-commerce, and everything is coming from the ERP systems. So all this information can be pushed from your ERP system. So top trending, and this is the one which you just added. These are all coming from your ERP system. Okay, so suppose if the customer comes, this is a new one, you can see a new one just we just created. So customer comes and he'll place an order here. So Dell laptop, add to cart. So I'll click on the checkout. So when we come, details need to be filled. So I'm going to use Google autofill. I have filled all the details with phone number and email ID. Email ID is the main important part to identify each customer. If email ID is existed, it will automatically consider as the existing customer. So I can use the payment gateways, PayUmoney, Razorpay or PayPal. Now in this case, I use cash on delivery. So I'll place an order. So when I click on placing order, two things happens. One, auto email will trigger to the customer, thank you for your placing order, and second is he will get the order number and order details. Okay, so this is a one way I'm going to do. So same thing, I'm going to place an order using my cell phone. So I'll place an order using my cell phone. So let's see how we will receive the orders in our back office. So I'm placing order for